Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the international satellite industry. In this week's programme, Tricia looks at the next Soyuz mission from Spaceport, Gabby has the latest news headlines, and Georgina looks at NSR's Mobile Satellite Services report. But first, Eutelsat Communications has announced a distribution agreement between its Skylogic subsidiary and RG Networks, enabling RG Networks to benefit from Eutelsat's KA-SAT high-throughput satellite and advanced user equipment to deliver broadband to businesses and consumers across Hungary. RG Networks, a subsidiary of the Hungarian IT specialist RG Hungary, launched services via KA-SAT in Hungary at the beginning of this month under the VANNet brand. RG Networks' ambition is to respond to the Hungarian government's commitment to provide fast internet for all citizens by the end of 2013, in line with the European Union directive. RG Networks is committed by this time to connecting more than 2,000 users with satellite broadband via KA-SAT, delivering download speeds of up to 10 megabits per second and upload speeds of up to 4 megabits per second. Now here is Gabby with the news headlines.
Globecomm Systems has launched a time and cost-saving 4G solution for carriers. The 4G hosted switching solution significantly reduces the time, money and manpower to initiate or convert to a 4G business, enabling operators to easily create LTE networks and deploy voice over LTE and other IMS-related services. Globecomm's hosted 4G solution provides a unique, affordable, converged packet gateway solution that resides in the operator's home market and breaks out IP traffic to the ISP of their choice, which is often the operator itself. ASC Signal has been selected to provide a significant number of Ka-band antennas to one of Europe's major satellite operators to ensure uptime in distributing pay TV channels to Europe's extensive base of satellite television users. ASC Signal will deliver multiple Ka-band gateway antennas that provide highly advanced pointing accuracy and reliability. The antennas feature a sub-reflector tracking technology, which provides a higher level of tracking accuracy and gain stability, not typically achievable by most antennas in this category. Beam Communications has received a commitment from Telstra to purchase a minimum of $5.1 million worth of Iridium-based satellite docking stations and product bundles over the next 12 months. The initial shipment is expected to be fulfilled by 30th June 2012, the balance being called upon as required over the 12-month period. With the release of Iridium Extreme, the toughest satellite handset ever made, Beam Communications has developed and manufactured a range of next-generation docking stations. The Beam docking solution extends the functionality of the Iridium Extreme satellite phones so they can be used for voice data and tracking services indoors, in vehicles, on vessels, and in other remote locations where easy or enhanced access to satellite communications is required.
Now here is Tricia with the latest launch developments.
Space Exploration Technologies has finished an important evaluation of a prototype Dragon spacecraft designed to carry people into orbit. This key milestone is part of SpaceX's partnership with NASA under a funded Space Act agreement to advance the design of crew transportation vehicles. The primary goal of the test was to determine whether the layout will allow astronauts to manoeuvre effectively in the vehicle. Several veteran Space Shuttle astronauts and NASA engineers conducted the evaluation during a pair of two-day-long reviews. NASA Commercial Spaceflight Director Philip McAllister told SatTV, "I am very pleased with the progress SpaceX and our other commercial partners are making during the CC-DEV-2 effort. Together with NASA's development of beyond low Earth orbit systems, commercial crew and cargo transportation is an integral part of our overall human spaceflight programme." launcher for Arianespace's next Soyuz mission from the spaceport in French Guiana is completing its initial checkout for a flight in the second half of 2012, which will carry another 2 spacecraft for Europe's Galileo satellite navigation constellation. During activity at the spaceport's Soyuz launcher integration building, known by its Russian MIK designation, the vehicle's 4 first-stage strap-on boosters have been mated with a Block A core second stage, followed by integration of the Block 1 third stage. With its initial build-up concluded, the Soyuz is now undergoing regular maintenance checks that are standard for the Russian-built vehicles that have been in storage prior to their mission. Such verifications include testing of the launcher's pneumatic and electrical systems.
And finally, NSR has released its latest mobile satellite services report. Georgina has the key points.
NSR's Mobile Satellite Services Report projects the sector will sustain its current robust growth by serving users with a mix of MSS, FSS and HTS-based solutions. Despite recent results that were less than great in the satellite handheld business, the mobile satellite market will reach milestones such as 1 million in-service units for the land mobile sector and impressive growth for maritime and aeronautical service over the next 10 years. Mobile satellite market growth will be led by data units on the equipment side and broadband VSATs on the service side. A growing number of bandwidth-hungry users in the maritime and aeronautical segments, along with smaller and cheaper units in the land mobile segment, will drive growth. Overall, mobile satellite growth will continue at a consistent pace. For further information on the report, please visit www.nsr.com. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.